Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing my own nails, and it's not the first time I've done my own nails. I've been doing my own nails for the past year now, and yeah, I've been pretty much using this nail kit for every single time I want to have long nails, or if I ever want to like keep my nail length, I try to use this because this is a lot more sustainable and it does not break my nails. So today I'll be showing you how I do my nails with this kit. The kit I'm using is the Makartt nail extension gel, and that's a lot better than regular like acrylic and gel because it's basically like hard gel. Hard gel is really good because you can form it into like basically your own acrylic, and it's a lot better for your nails than acrylics are. Today I'll be doing my natural nails. I do have one that is completely cut off because I broke it, and some it's not in square form, so I'm gonna teach you guys how to get the perfect nails with either uneven nails or completely like no like natural nail. So what you will need is a LED light, and this one I got from Amazon. It was probably less than $50, and I've been pretty much just doing my own nail off of this with this, and it's amazing. I'll link it down below. The kit obviously. Oh, let me tie my hair up because it's pretty hot today. So the kit pretty much comes with everything you need. There's your gel extensions. There is it's basically alcohol. So alcohol, and then there is just a nail shape stuff, and then there is a base coat and a top coat, and then here's the little tool you'll be using to kind of shape it. And it also came with a nail file. One side is a little softer than the others, and then the softer side is basically for your natural nails, and the rougher side is for the acrylic. What you will also need is any nail polish remover, a little container like this, and yeah, that's basically all, or any nail polish that you'd like. Today I won't be using this color. I'm gonna use another brand. I bought this color off of Amazon, and this is the one I got. It comes out pretty like peachy. I will be using these colors and not the other ones, but I've been using all the other ones for my nails. I've been really loving, let me see, which one is the one that I use? So I've been pretty much just using Misty Rose, and it's almost out. It's this rosy pink color, and I think this one looks the most natural out of all of them. They have like white, pink, clear. So first I'm gonna do the one without any natural nail on there. So we're just gonna get our little container, and I'm just gonna fill it a little bit with the alcohol. Like a teensy tiny bit, tiny bit. you don't need that much. And then you can just put that back. Oh, you're also gonna need like cotton pads. I have like 2 here, so I'm just gonna leave that on the side. First, I already prepped and shaped my nails to the way I wanted them, and I'm just gonna get the alcohol they provided and just put it on the little cotton pad and just like wipe all my natural nails with it. This helps get rid of any natural oils you have on your nails. If you have like nail serum or anything like nail growth products on your nails like I did, just take them off with a nail polish remover. Okay, once that is done, you're gonna go with the lighter, like softer side of the nail file, and you're just gonna gently go over your nails and just to like make it even, kind of. So yeah, just like follow your nails and get rid of like all these the glossy top. It will make it like stick more. Okay, now that my nails are all like buffed up, I am going to take the cotton pad with alcohol again and just wipe it off because it gets a little dusty and that kind of doesn't work well with the gel. Yeah, so now we're gonna go with the base gel. Okay, and then we're gonna put it in under the light for just 30 seconds. Okay, and then we're gonna go into this and find the nails that we like that fits. So when you have all your nails set right here, take out the little tool, and it comes with a little spatula thing and then a little brush. Yeah, it's not gonna focus. And you're basically just gonna scrape like I would say this much. If you're building your own nail, I think this would be good. You scrape it off and then get your nail and you're just gonna put it on. Oh no, it's focusing, but try to scrape it all on there. You don't want to waste any product. Okay, and then you're gonna wet your little brush with alcohol. Don't soak it, just like make sure it's like a little wet, and then you're gonna just pat, go with a patting motion. Just gonna pat, and if it needs a little more pressure, do put a little more pressure. I like it a little thicker towards my cuticles. And then when it gets a little sticky, just make sure to wet your brush again. And just bring it out. Kind of just like put it next to my nail to see where it's at. If it's not giving me any length, like look, if it doesn't give me any length, like I'm gonna put more. Okay, now we get more. Another dollop, and then we're gonna put some on towards the top because the bottom's good. We just need some on top. Just tap. And this won't get hard until you put it under the light. So it doesn't matter how long this stays out for. Obviously, don't leave it out like overnight. But okay, let's see. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So it's gonna be this length, which is fine. And then I'm just gonna put this on my nail and just make sure you don't press it down. Just make sure kind of like don't press it down that hard, at least. Make sure it's there. Okay, and it's on there. And now let's cure it for 60 seconds. When it's done, you just pop it off. And then it's on. Now I'm gonna do the rest of my nails and then I'm gonna show you how to file them. Okay, so after you get them on, they basically look like this. There's some lifting right here, which is completely normal. Lifting over here, completely normal. And if you have your own nails, it might be a little thicker than you'd like. It's okay. We're gonna file it after, and this is the part. So take your little file. If you have a drill file, that'll be the best. It will save you some time, but your girl is broke, so we're just gonna work with what we have. First, you're just gonna try to like, don't get your cuticles or don't get your skin because it's gonna hurt. Just try to angle it and file it with the hard side. This way it gets a little more. So like this. Just keep going at it until it's at the right length, the right thickness. Okay, when you get it down to where you want it to be, for the cuticle area, start doing the top two, because right now it's too thick. You want it a little thinner. Okay, excuse the laundry in the background, but so I just filed down the top. So I just basically filed down the top. No. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I just basically filed down top of all of them. This one still looks a little, oh no, it looks fine. So it's not like sticking out. Now we are going to file the sides. I want a square shape, so kind of just shape it. So shape it until it's like a little squarish. And then do that for the rest of your nails. Okay, so I just finished shaping my nails and they look so good already. But we are gonna do one last step and we're gonna take the cotton pad and then we're just gonna put some alcohol in there. On there again and just wipe it all over the nail one last time. So go. So it basically just looks like this. I think the color itself is already really nice. I don't need to put any color on there, but obviously if you want to put like color on there, you can. It just looks so cute. And I would just put a top coat on it, but I'm deciding if I want to do a color coat. I decided to put on a coat of the Essie ballet slipper. With the nail polish. It's just a cute little pink coat. It barely has any color, and then you just cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, so I just finished my nails and they look amazing. So obviously my left side is a lot better than the right. Yeah, so they just look like this. They're cute and they're pretty thin. But I really hope you like this tutorial. Bear with me, it's my first nail tutorial, and let me know if you liked it. Let me know if this helped. Sorry I couldn't get that much footage because I really needed to like focus, you know. And yeah, I'm gonna link everything down below so you can get yourself a kit, you can get yourself your own UV light. And yeah, if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna try to post more tutorials, and if you enjoyed this video, just give this video a thumbs up. Comment if you have done this before, if this tutorial helped at all, and if you want me to try anything else, let me know. I'll see you in the next video.